Hey guys, I want to show you my favorite vacuum cupping set. Actually, I think my very first video on this channel was showing you a vacuum cupping set. This is my third set. The first set I bought, it's probably about 10 years ago now, 10 or 11 years ago when I got into cupping. And the first set I bought, all the cups were about the same size. I think they were all 2-inch cups. And that was a pretty good set, and I used that one a lot. And then a company actually sent me a set to review on this channel. Came from China, I think. And it had a bigger variety of different size cups, which was nice because it was more versatile. Like, it had bigger ones. The bigger cups are good like on your back and on your legs. And then the smaller ones are good like, you know, on your arms and your neck. So I actually like that. The problem with that set is a lot of the cups cracked. They weren't very sturdy. So then I bought another set, which is one I have now, and it's similar. It has a variety of different size cups, and it's the best one I've had so far. So let me show you that. I got this one from Amazon. They just shipped it right in the box. You can see the shipping label on there. It says Carzo vacuum cupping, but if you open it up, it says Kangzhou. That's what it said online too on the Amazon site. But so you can see it's got all the different size cups there, and it has the you know, you use this to put the cups on. So you just take a cup like this, for example, you put it on there, you pump it, and you can see the skin sucks up into the cup. Now usually if I'm doing cupping, I'll usually put like baby oil on my arm, and that helps the cup seal better and also helps your skin slide into the cup better. I mean, just to show you, I'm not going to use oil, but that's what I usually do. And then it's got this hose that goes on there. It's like an extension. So if you want to put a cup on there, and then you can reach around, you know, behind you or up on top of your shoulders or whatever, and that works pretty good. You don't get quite as much suction that way, but it does work if you're doing it by yourself. So that set cost $23, so with shipping it's probably around $30, which really isn't bad because I can do everything myself. I don't have any training in it. I just kind of experimented, just trial and error, and what I'll usually do is just, you know, find where the muscle's tight and put the cup right on that spot. You know, put some oil on there first, put the cup on there. I'd say leave it on there for 5 minutes or so. Might be more, might be less. Sometimes if the muscle relaxes, the cup will fall off on its own. That's how they crack a lot of times. They fall off on the floor and crack. But like I said, I have no training. It's just kind of trial and error. And then if it's on there a while, it'll leave a purple mark, like a bruise. So you'll have all these purple spots all over you. You look kind of like a leopard, and that kind of freaks some people out. They don't like it, but you know, I don't really care what it looks like as long as it helps me. It makes me feel better, and I can do it myself. That's a good thing too. I don't have to go pay someone. Like if you go pay for acupuncture and you know all that gets expensive. I've tried acupuncture and it does help relax you, but you got to pay every time, so it's expensive. This you can just do yourself. So anyway, I'll put the link to Amazon in the description if anybody's interested in that. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.